Welcome to Indian Summers with Scaramanga. It's one of our favourite times of the year because it allows us to really talk about how we have such amazing pieces that come from India and how Indian pieces can really be incorporated into an interior style. So Indian Summers to us is all about bright colours, bold patterns, and amazing textures, and just blending them all together to create a really unique interiors for you. So what I've done here is to just give you an example of what an Indian Summers means to us at Scaramanga. Really visibly at the top there is the old lorry sign, and that would have sat at the top of an old lorry, just basically describing what the lorry was, which is a goods carrier. It's got lots of amazing carrying. It's got the Indian flag in the center there. But we haven't kept it completely colourful. We've also got a piece like this upcycled chicken coop here. So this is a chicken coop that's upside down, that we've put a top on and put some legs on and created a really unique coffee table, and there's some storage space inside as well. To my side here, we've got a set of old Indian doors which have metal bars, and it's got amazing colour with turquoise and blues and greens, and it's even got red panels down there. Of course, with summer we need to have lots of green, so I've got some potted plants here, and I've created a little scene with an old storage tin here and an old well bucket, and then we've got some an old skull down there to create a little bit of intrigue, along with some old stone plates. Going around to the other side here, I've created a scene stacked up two really colourful metal suitcases to act as a side table. They could also be used as a centre table, and then on that I've created, again with plants, trailing plants, and just added in some little Indian figures there and some old money boxes. Going to the centerpiece there, you can see on the bench here, I've created a little scene with some old Indian stone pots and bowls with some plant pots again on top of a wooden tray. So the whole idea behind this is just really to just mix color with textures and material. So we've got old stone, old marble, old brass here, and we've obviously got some plant pots and some texture here and color here with the colored cushions. And of course the centerpiece to this whole scene is this old bench, which has been recycled and upcycled into a bench from an old chest. So the top's probably collapsed in, so what we've done is to remove the top, remove half of the side, and we've got this amazing bench here. So here we are, Indian Summers with Scaramanga.